Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to discuss one-step equations. This is for the first degree equation. Okay, let's start. So one-step equation. So there are steps that you're going to create here, or not create, but you're going to use in order for you to solve the value of a certain variable that is in 1 degree, or in first degree rather. So you either do the addition or subtraction, or multiply or divide. So let's go on with some examples. So I have here an example. Solve for x if the equation is x minus 3 is equal to 4. Now, let's have now our solution. Our solution will start with writing again the equation. So x minus 3 is equal to 4. Now, the logic is that whenever you solve now a variable in an equation, whatever you do at the left-hand side, you're also going to do that on your right-hand side. So therefore, we're going to add now 3 both sides so that we could get now the value of the variable. So when you add now at the left-hand side, you also add at the right-hand side. So the sum would be 7. So how are we sure that our answer are correct, or is correct rather? So checking x is equal to 7. So we have now x minus 3 is equal to 4. So substituting now the value of the variable x, which is 7. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. And our answer is 4 is equal to 4. So if the equation agrees, so therefore your answer is correct, which is 7. Let's have now another example. So let's solve for a, where a plus 6 is equal to negative 5. Now, so let's go on our solution. So once again, the equation is x plus 6 equal to negative 5. So what are we going to do is we're going to deduct now 6 both sides. So a plus 6 minus 6 is equal to negative 5 minus 6. So getting now the difference. So we have now the value of a is equal to negative 11. Now, let's have now the checking where a is equal to negative 11. Once again, starting with our original equation, which is a plus 6 is equal to negative 5. So substituting now negative 11. So negative 11 plus 6 is equal to negative 5. So negative 5 is equal to negative 5. So that's now our answer. So our answer for the value of a is equal to negative 11. Now, let's have now on the second type of one step, which is either multiply or divide. So let's have this one. Solve for b, where b over 7 is equal to negative 2. Now, let's get into the solution. So b over 7 is equal to negative 2. Now, in order to have an isolation of the variable b, so we multiply both sides by 7. So 7 times b over 7 is equal to 7 times negative 2. So once again, the logic is still there. Whatever you do at the left-hand side, you're going to do that at the right-hand side. So we have now the answer as b is equal to negative 14. Now, to check now if our answer negative 14 is correct, you do now the checking. So b over 7 is equal to negative 2. Substituting now negative 14. So negative 14 over 7 is equal to negative 2. So we have now negative 2 is equal to negative 2. Okay, now let's have now the last example. So solve for y, which is 2y is equal to 12. Now, on the solution, whatever you do, okay, whatever you do at the left-hand side, you do that at the right-hand side. So you divide both side by 2. And the quotients are y is equal to 6. Now, let's check now if our answer 6 is correct. So we're working with that. Original equation is 2y is equal to 12. So 2 times 6 is equal to 12, and 12 is equal to 12. I hope you learned something with one-step equation and solving linear equation in first degree. Thank you for watching and have a great day.